what's going on over here?
He grabbed the book from me when I was reading it.
Oh, sounds like we might have a problem. Sounds like you were reading the book. And Eli, what happened?
I wanted the book.
You want the book? Sounds like you both want the book. Should we get some solutions out and see how if we can solve the problem?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's look through our solutions here. So this solution means share. That means you would use the book at the same time.
No.
No. This one says ask for help.
No.
Not that one. This one says please stop.
Please stop.
Does that work for you, Eli?
Nope.
No. It's a good solution, but it didn't work. This one says use kind words.
Can you please have the book back? Yes.
Would this work for you?
Yes.
Does it get you the book? Do you still want the book or are you done?
I'm done with the book.
You're done with the book. All right, so we found a solution that worked. Good job problem solving. High five, Emmett. High five, Eli. Great problem solving.